Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. I'm excited to share that I got my US General Series 3 work hutch and rolling toolbox. I wanted to make this video to give you guys a glimpse of what that entire process looks like from picking up at HarborFreight to unloading into my garage. Alright, to pick it up, I used a 15-foot U-Haul that I backed into the HarborFreight loading area. From there, an associate helped load both the work center and the rolling cabinet onto the truck. When I got home, I unboxed the rolling cabinet first and then rolled it off of the loading ramp. For the work center, what I did was I kept it on a wooden pallet and then had a buddy help me slowly push it down the ramp. And then once it got onto the ground, I unboxed it. After unloading and unboxing both the work center and the toolbox, there was a lot of cardboard, and so I took a minute to cut things down. I don't have a video of it, but there was a lot of styrofoam that came in the packaging as well. After that, my buddy and I put the work center hutch onto the rolling cabinet. I then took a look around the work center and the rolling cabinet, and everything is in perfect condition. I'll make a follow-up video showing you guys the tools I put inside of it, but let me know in the comments if you would buy this US General Series 3 toolbox and work center. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.